How to crop a photo in Photopea. So for this example, I'm just going to use a pre-made template from Photopea itself. You can apply this tutorial to any image you'd want to edit in Photopea, but for this example, I'll be using the templates here. I'm just going to use this one. And to crop a photo, you go to the sidebar and you press this crop tool, or you can use C on your keyboard as a shortcut. Once there, just click it and you'll see this menu pops up. You just drag one of four boxes on the side to crop it. So for example, I'm going to crop it a little bit here. I want it to be a tight fit on the logo. Right there. You can also crop it on this corner right here to do this. There you go. Once you're happy with your selection, just press enter. And there you go. Your image is now cropped. With this crop image, you can export it by using File and then export as one of these formats you'd want. I'm just going to export it as PNG. I'm going to open it. And there you go. Your image is now cropped. It's as easy as that.